ice on the bird bath. Real ice on the bird bath. So this is the bird bath right here. It's supposed to have water in here. It's got ice on it because it's winter time. It's gonna have ice. Oops. It's gonna have ice on here. Take this off. Oh my goodness, this is real ice. This is actually real ice. Oh my goodness. So cool. Look, I've killed a bit already. Oh, actually I haven't killed. I've just got rid of a bit with hot water. Actually, with warm water, just a watering can. And I've just gave some plant. Give the plant some warm water. It's actually pretty warm. I'm gonna wait till the ice melts. Now this might happen more often in the winter time. And think about what I should do with it. Oh, it doesn't like that. It's a cold water makes more ice. Get some more warm water to this plant. Oh, it's so warm. That's enough water. So winter time, ice in the bird bath. This is what's it about. And with ice in here, like this. I want to make balls because when this melts, it will generate water, and then water will be able to clean it. Oh my god! Because it does get dirty. Right here we have a leaf in there. We have even dead animals in there. Yeah, get some more ice in a moment.